Welcome to Pydle Day 63. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is not equal symbol. So we've got the equals in black and then the not kind of stripe, we've got that in red. Have a go at solving that. And if you haven't played Pydle before, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle to give you a flavor of how to tackle a Pydle puzzle. Okay, so yesterday's Pydle was a Greek beta letter. So if we didn't have that white pixel there, it would have been completely symmetrical around the y-axis. So we're still going to use Cartesian coordinates for y, because I think it's going to be helpful. But x, we're just going to use Pydle coordinates. Okay, so let's do for x in range 5. But then the y, we're going to do for y in range -2, 3. Okay, so that goes from -2 to +2. Okay, so let's do the very first simple condition for the brown pixel is if x equals 0. Okay, and then we can do an and. Oh, sorry, or. So the top and the bottom. So if you just do or absolute value of y equals 2. Let's see what that gives us. X, okay, we need to convert the y to Pydle coordinates. Brown. Okay, so now it's still going to be symmetrical. Okay, so we have to miss out that pixel there. And we're literally just going to do that by having an and then create a tuple for x comma y. Let me say not equal to 1 comma -2. Okay. Okay, that now what about those these 3 pixels? So we're going to use the formula for the line, the straight line. So we're going to do or, and to get the 0 point for the y-axis, we need to do x -3. Because remember, x starts from there 0, 1, 2, 3. So if you do x -3, then we can say x -3 equals absolute value of y. Okay, you can see, so if x is 4, it's going to be value 1. So absolute value of y is going to be 1 there as well. So that's going to work for those pixels. Okay, that's our beta symbol. All we need to do is have an else. Else is for the whites. Okay, that solves the Pydle. Give us a like and a follow on TikTok or YouTube. Then have a go at solving today's Pydle yourself. And I'll see you tomorrow.